Fuentes from Lipet 3. Technology users in fundamental structural changes that can be integrated to achieving significant improvements in productivity. So, number one advantage is the engagement. Teachers use interactive software and programs as learning technologies so that the student can respond to the question and lectures digitally. Collaboration. They can draw and write together with the same, creating documents and projects that are fully collaborative. So, inclusion. Adaptive readers highlight text or read aloud to students so they can research and use websites easily. Productivity allows the student instant access to all materials they need, saving time, space, and material and mental effort. So, the student is easy to be productivity in using a technology. So, creativity. Enhance creativity rather than inhibit it if students are given choices about what they create. So, it means that student have a freedom to search what they create and what they can create. Disadvantage. The presence of technology can be destructive of the student or distracting of a student to students. Technology can make it easier to cheat, and using teach can cause some student to disconnect from the classroom, and some of the student may not know the difference between reliable and unreliable resources. Technology as a resources that not all families can afford. So it means the technology have also a disadvantage of the student, but most of the students is more like in technology that we have now in the presence in our present, because technology is continuing to upgrade and in the future mas mapapadali na ang pagtuturo or kung paano matuto. That's all. Thank you.